Esther, the esthetician, here with another episode of the Clear Skin TV show. I hope you are subscribed to this channel. If you're not, why not? Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell to make sure that you are the first to know when we have amazing content like this one, all right? So let me go ahead and jump right into today's episode. We are talking about acne scar and hyperpigmentation, okay? So, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, brown spot, post-acne scarring, it's technically speaking all the same thing. It's just different people prefer different terms. So that's the first thing you need to know. It is pretty much the same thing. The next thing I want to talk to you about is your regimen. So what is your regimen currently? A regimen is just something that you're doing routinely, you're doing consistently. So for some people, they say, I don't have a regimen. But even if you don't have one, you actually do. So for some people, their regimen is just, so every day I am going to take a shower. I wash my face with whatever soap I'm washing my body with. I just wash my face with it and I go. That's the regimen for some people, and it makes the esthetician in me just cringe because, we'll talk about that in a different video, but I do have other videos that really breaks down the skincare regimen. I will include it somewhere around this video, but if you join the Clear Skin Challenge, it will definitely talk about it, so be sure you join the challenge. But be consistent. Your regimen is just whatever you're doing daily, regularly. So regularly, to treat acne scars and hyperpigmentation, brown spot, post-acne scarring, whatever you prefer, you need a consistent regimen such as cleansing and moisturizing daily and setting aside time weekly to do a mini spa day or self-care or mini facial at home. That's when you're cleansing, exfoliating, using your enzyme mask, using your toner and moisturizer, all that. Now with acne scars, you want to keep your skin protected from the sun, so you will need to incorporate a very light sunscreen. You want something that's weightless, something that's not going to clog your pores, so make sure it's something that's going to be good for your skin. Now, the one I have in my online store, I made sure that it will be good for your skin, but again, you don't have to use my products. It's just whatever works for you, just do it. But be consistent with whatever you use. Find a regimen that works for you, and if you join the Clear Skin Challenge, I will include a free ebook that breaks down what a basic skincare regimen looks like, step by step, when you should cleanse, when you should moisturize, when do you add your scrub, when do you add this and that. It breaks everything down, extremely simple, and it also includes videos, step-by-step videos, to just kind of help guide you along that journey. So you don't need my product. You can use these tools. It's free. It's yours. Just go ahead and hit the button, hit the link in my description, and enter your name and email, and it will be sent directly to your email inbox. All right. Let me get back on the topic because I don't want to miss out on anything. So next thing is consistency, which kind of ties in with your regimen. You want to be consistent. Whatever you decide to do, be consistent with it. And actually, I would add in a bonus, which is to journal. So get a journal, whether it's your notes on your phone or video, just kind of something to say, today is day 1. I cleanse with X, Y, and Z. I moisturize with X, Y, and Z. I ate X, Y, and Z. Just kind of document what's going on in your life, because sometimes we're breaking out at a certain time. If you're documenting, you're more likely to figure out where exactly things are not working, what needs to be tweaked, instead of like, so because some people are like, oh yeah, my skincare products stopped working after a week. That's BS. I will tell you that right now. It's just people like to jump on the next bandwagon and then they just claim that, oh, I've tried everything. No, you haven't, because if you tried everything, you would have what you want right now. You haven't tried everything, so keep that in mind. And the very last thing I want to talk to you about is that not all skincare products, not all tools, not all equipments, not everything was created equal. So make sure that you are doing your research and doing the right things for your skin, and stop freaking jumping on bandwagons. Bandwagons come and go. That's just part of it. So instead, focus on finding simple, ordinary products that work for your skin and be consistent with it, okay? It's not that hard. It's just mainly all about consistency, consistency, consistency. All right, not that hard. All right, so let me go ahead and recap what we talked about today. We talked about how the acne scars, brown spot, hyperpigmentation, post acne scarring, all of that, same thing. And we talked about regimen, how you can build your own regimen. And if you want, you can download the guide. I have the link in the description. And be consistent with your regimen and know that not all products, not all things were created equal. So don't jump on bandwagons. Find what's working, stick with it, and you will see the results that you want. All right. So thank you so much for watching today.